Life as a businesswoman, you only have some days like this to put your house in order. So come with me as I wake up from the sleep, I brush my teeth, I go into my sitting room just to dust it, sweep it, so I can clean it. Before then, I go into the room, pack some clothes. All thanks to my husband, he have already helped me in repairing the washing machine the fourth time. So this time around, my washing machine is very active and is washing. So let me just put some clothes, remove some I've already dried. So let me add more clothes before I'll go back in cleaning, because that's the work for me today. Oh, in fact, it's not easy, but we move. So this is me after putting some clothes in the machine. I'll add more water to it and I'll go back to cleaning. So before I will even go to clean, I have to spray some clothes that I bring out from the washing machine. As you can see me here, me and baby Nathaniel. Baby Nathaniel is assisting me. Don't know how he's assisting me because he's keeping me company. Oh, that's how I was just talking with him. We are just gisting. So I'll still come back to sweep the parlor the third time before mopping, because these children, why? What is this? So before I mop, I'll clean the tables, clean the chair, everything, because I don't just mop your house and leave those tables dirty. But before now, my kids have already taken their baths, so it is just me and Nathaniel. So this is me at the passage side, mopping. This is me at outside. The indoors are well cleaned now. So this is me cleaning the outside, my veranda. I have to keep it clean because sometimes we play here and it is outside. People that pass, they will see it. So this is me after cleaning. I went to the kitchen. I met my daughter preparing their breakfast. So I said, sure, so you're hungry. You know you are hungry, right? So she wants to fry plantain and I'll make pap for her because she don't know how to make pap yet. So this is the plantain. I've not have much oil. I have to mix my oil. The plantain came out very nice because of that mixture. It looks so golden. Try it out, you will love it. So this is plantain on fire. I was just like, this thing should do. Let me go and bake so I can relax a little bit before cooking my Sunday rice. Sure. So this is the plantain. It came out so good, so golden. My daughter is really trying. She did this by herself. So this is me after making everything. This is the pap. So we go in for breakfast before I continued the work for the day. You see this master of enjoyment, he too like him. He doesn't like plantain, but he wants to use milk to eat his own. So this is us after everything. My children were just gisting. My son liked to draw. He was just there drawing. I say, okay, oh, no problem. Oh, as I don't do now, oh, now let me come and rest small before I continue, because work no dey finish. You even think you are resting at home on a day like this, not knowing you are just there to do the work at home, not the one in the shop anymore. So